Good morning. Today we're going to install Node.js and start the first of our Node.js program. In order to run the Node.js, you need two things. You need an ID and Node.js. First, let's install the Node.js. Go to Node.js website, inside the download. For the Windows 10 or 11 64-bit version, I recommend you to download this one. After downloading, you can click it. Log out this window. Inside the window, you can go next, accept, and after clicking next, we're going to install. It's a simple process. I have already installed this version, so I'm not going to install it again. You will try. If you have any problems occur, please make sure to comment down below. And now let's see whether it's installed or not. If you have already opened the CMD, please close it. Otherwise, it won't work. And then open the CMD again. You don't need to run as administrator here. So let's type node v. It's going to provide the node version and the npm. Yeah, it's going to provide the npm version. If this is present, which means that you have correctly installed the node and you currently have set the path for the node and the npm. So you have no issues. Now let's close this and write our first Node.js program. In order to write this Node.js program, I'm going to use the IDE as the VS Code. If you have any other IDs, you can use them. But this is quite easy and manageable for me. So let's create a new folder. In here, I'm going to create a new folder. Let's say my YouTube stuff. Node. I'm going to have a series for this. I will upload more of the Node.js videos in future. That's why I said it like this. So inside here, let's type the first program. Yeah, inside this first program. Now let's do the coding. I have okay, it's not a problem. I have a little tip too. If you're writing the folder name, please make sure to use lowercase letters all the time. It may cause some issues. I think it didn't cause here. Sometimes it causes issues. It won't recognize this capitalized letter sometimes. Okay, it's better to use simple, not simple, lowercase. It is better to use lowercase letters. So in order to first write the program, we need let's call this file name hello world.js for JavaScript extension. You might know Node.js already uses JavaScript as its language. Okay, I want to print out hello world or something in text for a web browser. So I'm going to do that. First, need to have some dependencies. Not these are built-in dependencies. HTTP require. We are using a CommonJS to import this file. HTTP. Yep. So in order to run this, I need a port as well. So in here, I could assign 3500 port. So if for some reason, if this port isn't not available or it is hosted on a server, it need to use a different port. So in order to get that, we can provide init. So while this, I mean, if this port is available, it's going to be used. If it is not, it's going to use available port, the server or the where it's been hosted. So now we're going to host in local server. So now we need to initialize server. Inside the server, we're going to http dot create server parentheses. Inside the parentheses, I'm going to pass a function, in this case an arrow function. And inside the arrow function, we need to provide the parameters for the request and for the response. Now let's provide a response. Right. slide hello world. Okay, now after that press dot n to send the files. Okay, we are not using Express in this case, we'll be using Express in the later series of this. Okay, now then server dot listen. It is listening to the port. I mean, this is required in order for this file to run on the server. So I could add, I mean, it is not mandatory, but I could add a function to show that it is running or not. An arrow function. Let's say console.log. That takes for string returns. The server is running on set the port. Okay. And I think it's pretty much it. Now let's run. In order to run this, we need to have inside the folder and type node hello. See whether it works or not. Okay, there is an issue. Let's see. What is the issue? Node. Oh yes, I have typed the name wrong. Node hello. Okay, another issue. Hello. What is the issue? It's saying that, oh yes, this is already in use. For some reason it didn't automatically took the address for the port. Let's change the address. See whether it's working or not now. Node hello world. Okay, it's running on localhost 3000 and let's see localhost 3000. Yeah, oh no, not this. Yeah, hello world. You might not see it. Save hello world. You can't see the code. Let me, you can see it's the code. So I mean, if you want to add a hello HTML tag like this, it will work as well. It's no issue with that. See again. Oh yes, since we are using the node, we have to restart the server. In order to restart, press Ctrl+C, and then again hello world. Yeah, I mean, if you make any changes here, you have made any changes to the code, you have to restart the server manually. But in the later of the videos, we will be using node mode, which will monitor for changes and it's automatically refresh the server. It will be much more easy. For now, let's use the node only. I think this is my experience. Let's make a little bit of an experiment here. Let's remove this and see whether it's going to assign a port automatically or not. Start the server. Node hello world. See, service running on undefined. There's an issue with it. I'll debug this issue and make sure to let you know, guys, about this problem. In the meantime, let's use this like this. It will work regardless. Yeah, this one. So if you have any question, please make sure to comment down below, and thank you for watching.